Alright guys, 60s, here we go. I'm just going to take P. Louise base in the shade 0 and 2, mixed. And we're just going to apply this wildly all over our lid. Alright, I'm going to grab this gorgeous nude light palette from Huda. And I'm just going to go into this shade first. And just going to tap it through the crease. I'm going to take the same exact brush and we're going to go into the cream color, and I'm going to use the other side of the brush, and we're going to tap this right above that shade all the way up to the brow bone so we get a really nice smooth transition. Alright guys, I'm going to mix P. Louise bases and Touch of Frost in Rumor 0 and get a really nice 60s pastel blue, and I'm just going to start to carve out my lid. Alright guys, I'm going to take black eyeshadow on a Sephora Pro Bent Liner brush. And before I set this, remember we haven't set that, we're going to go right above the blue and in between the orange and just create a really nice black line. This is why I haven't set the blue, in case we need to go back and correct anything, clean it up, clean it off the blue. So just take your time and bring it outwards, and I'm only going to take it to about right there until it looks more like this one. I'm going to grab this big Sephora palette here, and I'm going to grab the shade Pegasus and my big MAC brush, MAC 252S, and we're just going to tap this and set that eyeshadow base. Alright, just kind of finishing up my liner. I used the Pretty Vulgar liner today, and I've been using this lip brush from Elsie. It's an L13, and it's just kind of creating that really nice 60s wing. Now I'm going to take some mascara and I'm going to go on top of my lashes because we just want to make sure we don't have any blue in them, because we're going to add our fake lashes. We just want to make sure we don't have any of that. Then we'll just kind of put it on regular. We're getting to the fun part. It's all a big fun part to me actually. But I am going to clean out underneath my eye. I kind of go through here and I kind of angle it. Do you see how I'm angling it to the tear duct? And then of course just all the way under here. Grabbing my Stay Matte primer, I'm going to just put a little bit more on my hand here for my nose. And we are going to work this into the skin. I always focus on the center and blend it out. Best primer ever. Alright guys, favorite foundation. I'm going to take my Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable. Do I sound like the commercial? And I'm going to grab my Smith 151 and just start to work this in until we don't look frightening anymore. Alright guys, I'm doing my contour wand from Charlotte Tilbury. I have been so obsessed with this. I think I like it better than the Huda. I really do. Now remember, I haven't done concealer. Alright, we have our Himalaya concealer. This is our color correcting shade. And then we have Gypsum, which is my highlighting shade. And then I put some here, down the nose, and then right there. Now we're just going to melt our concealer in. Go right through here on the sides of the nose. And then kind of whatever's left on my blender, I'll go underneath here. Just to kind of clean up the contour. Got my Anastasia translucent powder, and I've kind of already went underneath my eyes. But I'm kind of pressing it in. And I'm pressing it in through the center of my face. Because even though I'm normal to dry skin, if you press in through here, no matter your skin type, the more you work in your powder through the center of your face, your makeup's going to last longer. And that's always the goal, to keep it looking fresh for longer, much like gum. Alright, I'm going to take this MAC Chroma Cake. This is the white shade. And I'm just going to go in with just a little brush, any kind of little detail brush. And I'm going to put this all along my waterline. And I'm going to bring it out as well. Alright guys, so I glued this one on, and I glued it right underneath the white. So not right under my lash line. My lashes are still really far up here. So we're just going to do the same thing over here. We're getting real peachy with our blush. I'm going to grab this shade right here. This is Kitten Baby from Kylie. And we're just going to hit the apples of the cheeks. Just like so. I grabbed MAC Gesso, just my matte white eyeshadow that I always use, and we're just going to pop this on our inner corner. And then I kind of wipe whatever's left on the back of my hand, and then I kind of soften the edges. MAC 228, can't go wrong with this brush. Okay, so I always wipe off the excess concealer on my lips, but then, because it just gets too cakey, but then I go back over it very lightly with just the big end of my blender. So in the 60s, Mom, did y'all wear a lip liner? No. There was no lip liner. I just asked someone that was just wallering in the 60s. Okay, so I grabbed my Burberry lipstick in the shade Light Nude, and this one's just gonna go in the center. Get ready for it. I'm about to dance to Britney. No, but yes, but you won't see it. Then I'm gonna grab one of my favorite liquid lipsticks in the world. This one's from Lawless, and the shade is Cameron. I love everything about it. I love the applicator, I love the color, it's just so 60s. So then I'm gonna sit here and perfect my lips. All right, I'm gonna recurl my antennae I got going on here, and then we'll go get our pictures. This is a spicy look. Oh, I need my glasses too.